What is going on, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today we're going to be talking about some awesome stuff from Aukey. Now, I've done stuff for them in the past. Big shout out to them for sending this stuff out, but they sent out some very cool stuff. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago and they got this stuff out right away, so I wanted to give you guys a video, show you these three products, and let's talk about it. Let's jump right into it. So again, my friends over at Aukey were nice enough to send out some of their new charging products. We have the 63-watt dual port wall charger. That's USB Type-C, I believe both of them are. You have a wireless charging phone mount, which I'm always a big fan of these. And then you have a 30-watt wall charger that looks very, very small. So let's just start unboxing these and see what we got. Let's go this little bad boy first. The 30-watt charger. So this can charge like your MacBook Air. I mean, or fast charge your iPhone, stuff like that. Let's see. And the size of this is just ridiculous. I mean, this is the size. What do we got in here? Oh, this is their guarantee, right? Yeah. 24-month product warranty. So, I mean, come on. Thank you for choosing Aukey. A new product is covered by a 24-month warranty. Need help? Contact us. Bada bada bada, bada bing, bada boom. User manual. Now, I don't know if we need a user manual for a wall charger, but they're letting you know that this is where the power comes from. So, you know, some people don't know that. So I like how you got the fold down prongs. Makes it fit even nicer in your bag. But let me, hold on for a minute. Okay, so just look at it here. This is Apple's 5-watt charger, and this is the 30-watt charger. I mean, they're relatively the same size. I mean, this is slightly larger, but nowhere near, you know, if you do 5 watts to get to 30, this thing would be this big, right? So this here is Apple's fast charger that comes with the iPhone Pro. I got this with the iPhone Pro Max. This is USB Type-C. This is 18 watts. This is 30. So again, look at the size comparison. I mean, just looking at that, you don't have the fold-in prong, so this is very awkward to carry around. Same, I mean, almost the same width, slightly thicker. But I mean, I'm sorry, but how is Apple not producing something like this? Aukey is killing it, okay? So this right here, these don't even add up to the wattage of that little boy. Let's get those out of here. So this is amazing. You have a USB Type-C port here. You have the foldable prongs. I mean, that's all you're getting, but I mean, really, that is ridiculous, right? So this is a permanent spot in my bag. This is what I used to carry around to fast charge my iPad, my phone. This is the replacement now. So I mean, technically, I think this can only do like an iPad Air or the little MacBook, but your iPad Pro, which I have right there, your iPhone Pro Max, I mean, this has taken the place. This is amazing. So, okay, that's what we got there. I mean, there's not much to say, but yet I've yapped about it for a while. So here we go. We have this is the USB Type-C. This is the 63-watt. So this right here could charge up a MacBook Pro. So my MacBook Pro, instead of using the one that Apple comes with, you could use this, which is smaller, and still got your 24-month warranty, and still have another port to charge my iPad Pro or my phone or whatever. I like this one a lot. You got that matte black, which looks really good. 2 USB Type-C connectors. Flip down prongs again, so storage and carry is super nice. Now here we have what looks to be a computer and then power delivery. So let's take a look at what this means in this one. So this USB Type-C, the top on the power delivery is power delivery 3.0, and then USB Type-C power delivery 3.0 at the bottom. But what does each, okay, here we go. Output 1 is 18 watts, so you can use it for anything like we just said, because like I said, this is 18 watt right here. And then the the second one with the little computer is 60 watts. So that's going to be your computer, whatever. USB Type-C output for the power delivery, the top one is good for the iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, all that kind of stuff. The second USB port can use full power for the charger with 60 watts on its own. And okay, so if you're using both together, you're gonna get 18 out of the top and 45 at the bottom. If you only use the bottom, you're gonna get 60. So, you know, I think that's cool. Again, super minimal, easy. You know, you don't have the prongs sticking out. If I'm using my MacBook Pro, I take this with me. I can charge my iPad Pro, my MacBook Pro, or my iPhone, my MacBook Pro. But really, both of these I think are gonna make their way to my bag. So this is dope. Now, let's talk about the wireless charging phone mount. I'm a big fan of these. I know if they're not truly wireless because you have to have power that goes to them. I mean, that just goes without saying. Here you go, suggested positions for the different types of phones. We have a user manual here, which we may end up looking at. Here, this looks like, this is your little mount to get it like in between your vents in your car. So you're gonna put them in there and then get this bad boy to lock it down. And you got a little ball joint there. What we got here, power cord, USB Type-C, USB Type-C, USB Type-C. Come on now, USB Type-C. So that's nice. So you're gonna use this in your car, obviously. I should have had them send me a power thing for my car. I don't know if I have a USB Type-C plug in my car. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that. Got some like, this reminds me like of the old school Apple, right? So you're gonna tap this to open. Oh, it's auto, look at that. I thought that was a button that wasn't working. It's touch sensitive, and that thing's lit up, isn't it? No, maybe not. Dude, come on now. All right, where's my phone? It's got like different hash marks in there for like the different levels, different numbers. Okay. Charging. I keep tapping the dang thing. Okay. Guess this wouldn't happen in your car because it's going to be like that. So we're charging. It's got a good handle on it. I like this a lot. I like that a lot. And keep in mind what I have, this case I have on here, this is a carved case. I'm either did a separate video depending on when you watch this, or I'm going to do a separate video, but this is a thicker case, right? This is not, and this is wood and resin, like real wood, real like resin. I don't know if resin's real, but it's real wood and resin, pretty thick. And this charging case, or this charger, has no issue whatsoever. That's awesome. Okay, so anyways, that's gonna be it. Big thanks to Aukey for sending these out. I'm a huge fan of them. I need to email them and ask them to send me a car power plug with, so I can power this up. Oh, I don't need USB Type-C. I don't know if I have one. I don't know. I'm gonna work on that. But follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You'll see some behind the scenes, especially on IG. I guarantee I'll have an IG story showing me putting this in the car or with it in the car and how it's working. So I'll leave links for everything that we just talked about, all three of these, down in the description below. So go make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit the thumbs up down below. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down there as well. Hit that little notification bell so you guys get alerted every time I upload a video. Again, thank you, Aukey, for sending us out. These videos would not be possible with people like them, companies like them sending products, and it's truly appreciated. I can't say it enough. That's going to be it for this one. I will talk to you guys in the next one.